Hello, welcome to Data Analytics Professionals. We are in a series about AWS and Machine Learning. This is lecture number 5, given by myself, Shanaz Malik. In this lecture, we will create policy for a service called billing. We will use IAM in AWS to do so. IAM means Identity and Access Management. Before we proceed, it's my humble request, if you find this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my course channel. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and leave your feedback in the comments section. This helps me to create better content for all of you and gives me enough motivation to make more videos. Thank you. Create policy for service billing using Identity and Access Management in AWS. We need to first be logged in our AWS account. So once we are in the AWS account, these are the steps which we are going to perform, which is we will go and click on services, search for IAM, then we go into navigation panel and click on policies. We land on a new page. Then from there on, we will click on create policy, and under service, we will choose billing. We'll click on review policy, and under actions, we could select from various access levels. I'll show you all that. And then we'll click on review policy. We'll name it as you would like to, it's up to you how you would like to name it, but I'll name it as a billing view policy, and then I'm going to create the policy. So these are the steps which we are going to follow. Very simple, just 9 steps, and let's do it. So here I am already logged in my AWS. Your screen might look different, but let's start. You should see the services at the top left hand corner. We click on there and we search for IAM. Okay, so we click on there. Once we click on there, we will land on this new page. From here, if you see on the left hand side, you are already in the Identity and Access Management. From here, you go and click the policies. Okay? Excellent. Once you click policies, you land on this page. So from here, we will click on this create policy, and we will land on this page. We should land on this page if we are doing, we both are doing the same thing, or we all are doing the same thing. Okay. So from here, we choose services. It's very simple, nothing complicated. And once we choose the services, find the services, you can scroll down If you wish, you can scroll and find which service you are looking for. But just I can show you even the shortcut. Just write billing or bill and you'll find the billing. So we are going to make a policy for a service called billing. Excellent. So we should land on this page. Once we are on this page, what we could do, so what we are creating a policy, okay, on a billing, services billing, and we can now specify actions allowed in the billing, what actions you are allowing in this policy. So let's do access level, we'll grant just read access. If you would like to see, you're selecting 4. Let's see what 4 we are selecting. So we are saying view account, view billing, view payment methods, and view usage. So you're giving all these permissions. Excellent. Here, if you see, we'll click now on review policy, and then you can name whatever name you think is right for this policy. So my one was, I think, you can say billing access policy. Okay. So billing access policy. And you can write whatever description is meaningful to you. That should be up to 1,000 characters. And these are the rules to follow. I'm going to leave this empty at the moment, but description is very important. So we could always write few lines about the policy so that it gives us more information about what we have created, and not only for us, but for any future member of staff, for any other member of staff who is going to share this policy, okay, with whom you are going to share this policy. It's important to make some description here which makes sense to all of us. Once this is done, so you go here and create the policy. So once we create, billing access policy has been created. And this is the way you create policies, okay? And I have shown you the billing access policy. And if you want to see, if you go filter inside filter policies and write billing, here is your policy. If you see, this is customer managed. And if we go on, click on here, and we can see once again our same policy that we created. You see. Okay. I hope this video has been meaningful and helpful for all of you. And if you do like it, then please share and please subscribe. Bring more audience as that helps to give us motivation to make more videos, as early said. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.